garbage truck coming through the car show. Silas had to get a picture of it. He better not hit any of these pretty cars, because it would go boom, boom, boom. There he goes. He's trying not to run over the people over there that are standing around. There he goes. They're checking for any garbage that needs to be taken out. They didn't find any on this street, so they're driving on down the road. Wait, he's parking over there. Let's go see, Silas. Oh, he's pulling in backwards over there.
Wait, look.
Oh yeah, look at that go. Oh yeah. Let's go check and see what... Oh, the garbage man is turning around, I think. But all these cars are coming and they're not letting him. There he goes. Uh-oh, look out. You better not hit this beautiful silver car. There would be trouble. There would be lots of trouble then. There's a car.
Oh, no.
There he goes. He's going back down the road there.
Man, I just do this right now.